If you went to bed when the snow was just starting, maybe Saturday night, you might have been surprised when you woke up. Take a look at this time lapse from the WCCO News rooftop. You can see how that quickly piled up overnight. The storm is still making it hard to see at times with those gusty winds. Look at this example. This is what the St. Paul skyline looks like on a clear day. You can see the cathedral and the downtown area perfectly. This is what could be seen from the same location earlier today. You can't even tell there's a city on the other side of the river. Luckily, conditions aren't quite that bad anymore, but you're still going to want to be careful. Jason Rantel is keeping an eye on road conditions in the Twin Cities. Jason?
Derek, the city of Minneapolis says they have over 100 staff members and 60 pieces of equipment helping remove snow. And here in downtown Minneapolis, roads look pretty good. Nick Luneman, our photojournalist, is going to pan left and show you the street here. This is Chicago Avenue. Looks pretty good. In fact, it looks like some of that snow might actually be melting, which is pretty impressive considering all the snow we got.
You always can expect that late holiday storm in Minneapolis.
It's a classic Minnesota blizzard here in downtown Minneapolis. The kind of storm that will knock you off your feet if you're not careful. Acceptable weather by Minnesota standards in January or February, but maybe not by mid-March.
I like this weather than Christmas and New Year's. Once it gets towards March and April, then, I tend to put my boots away around this time.
Public Works crews in both Minneapolis and St. Paul say this storm is an all-hands-on-deck situation. A parade of motor graders and snow plows, in particular here along First Avenue, helped reduce travel hiccups, not only for sedans and SUVs, but also public transit and emergency vehicles like fire trucks. Here's a look at Cretin Avenue in St. Paul, where roads are mostly to partially covered.
I love the winter, There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a little bit too much can be a little too much, if you know what I mean.
Meanwhile, people like Byron are counting down the days until spring.
Yes, I am so ready.
Now, one important note, there is a snow emergency here in Minneapolis that starts at 9 o'clock tonight, so move your car off of snow emergency routes to avoid that ticket or a tow. The city's actually helping out. They've opened up 700 parking spaces at the North 4th Street and Farmers Market lots. Derek.
All right, some good reminders. Thanks, Jason. The roads have been treacherous. This afternoon, State Patrol said the storm led to 6 spinouts, 28 crashes that ended in property damage, and sent 141 vehicles off the road. State Patrol asked drivers to slow down and give others space while driving if you plan to be on the roads. The storm isn't just impacting roadways, it's also putting more weight on TSA workers and flights at MSP. 68 flights have been delayed, and we've seen 665 cancellations. We will keep you up to date on any developments at the airport. Governor Tim Walz declared a statewide snow emergency and mobilized the National Guard. Their focus for now is in southern Minnesota, with Guard members stationed in Albert Lea, Fairmont, Redwood Falls, and Owatonna, where climbing snow totals left cars stuck. Many needed to be dragged or pushed out of the deep snow. It caused problems even for seasoned plow drivers with MnDOT.
We did have probably 3 to 4 snow plows slide off the road. There were times there with the visibility and the snow rates that it was really challenging.
Challenging, the word of the day there in Owatonna. WCCO's Connor White takes us there, highlighting local heroics.
It's a disaster that we're told lasted more than 4 hours on this off-ramp from I-35 in Owatonna. A car stuck in the snow, first drawing the attention of 2 truck drivers. Pushing only got them so far. That's when Michael Falvey arrived with Minnesotan know-how, kindness, and perhaps most importantly, a way to tow the vehicle.
That took 5 minutes. I made their day, hopefully.
Our crew saw plenty of people struggling on the road, with some accepting they need to just stay put for the day.
Obviously, we're not going to make it, so we're hoping to get out tomorrow.
Others found a way to keep their original plans, including this man, in Owatonna Sunday to compete in the Minnesota State Bowling Tournament. Very little stopping you guys.
Very little, yes.
We're told that the bowling, of all things, went off without a hitch on Sunday. But on a day of extremes, including extreme wind, the National Guard needed to jump into action. Steele County called on the Guard Sunday morning. Once activated, members tore through about a foot of snow in a specialized vehicle to rescue people who ended up stranded. In Owatonna, with photojournalist Nick Boki, Connor White, WCCO News.
City of Red Wing on the Minnesota-Wisconsin border has also declared a snow emergency. Uba Ali picks up our live team coverage from there. Uba?
Hey there, Derek. So Red Wing is known for its bluff, scenic views, but today it looks like we're in a snow globe. All day we've seen people trying to dig out, and southeastern Minnesota really got dumped on. Red Wing also declared a snow emergency, like you mentioned, but Goodhue County is also one of several counties that MnDOT has issued a no travel advisory for. Just by a quick glance here at this residential street, this is typically what we're seeing. Folks are clearing out their driveways. Not too long ago, we did see a city plow truck get stuck, and that's why officials are urging people to stay off the road so they can get to cleaning and get to those main roads where if there was an emergency, you'd be able to get to where you need to be safely. Now, again, the soundtrack of the day has been snowblower engines going, and also we've seen several young men ditch the car, ditch walking around. They hopped on a snowmobile. Yep. And they went to some of the hills, and they're having a dandy old time. And that's really what we're seeing. I mean, this heavy, wet snow is great for snow angels. At this point, I think you just have to flop in the snow. I think it's too deep even for a snow angel. Earlier today, we caught up with a friend of mine that I met out here doing it the old-fashioned way, Jocelyn. Take a listen.
I don't want to wake up because that's my house. I just check on the window. I see the snow. I say, oh, holy shit. I had to go outside today again.
And he knows that he might be out here 1, 2, 3 more times tonight before he calls it a night. Also, because of that snow emergency, all vehicles on snow emergency routes will need to be moved by midnight. If you don't, you do risk getting towed. So you don't want to spend all day shoveling out of this mess just to go take a trip to the tow lot to get your car out. So something to remember there. And again, if you don't have to be out here, don't. That wind really starts to whip around, and I don't know if it's snowing anymore or if it's just the wind. So at least I can see the camera, and I hope you guys can see me. But I mean, it's really a give or take as the day goes on, Derek.
We got you. Great report. Thank you, Uba.